We now come to the basic aggregates. Basic we mean the main aggregates used in the study of national income. The most basic aggregate which is used throughout the world in making comparisons between countries is in short form called GDP, but actually GDP is not just one concept. It may be at market price, it may be at factor cost. But first we will take up that the first basic concept in measurement of national income. National income term is somewhat different from GDP. In what manner we will see just now. But first let us introduce you the three basic aggregates used in national income studies. The first aggregate is arrived at by taking the value of final goods and services produced within the economic territory of the country. Market value of final goods and services produced within the economic territory of the country. You are already familiar with the word market value, that is market price, final goods, economic territory. Keep these concepts in mind while studying this. We are not talking of the country, we are talking of the economic territory of the country. We are not talking of all goods and services produced, we are talking of only final goods and services produced. Intermediate goods and services have already been adjusted and ruled out from this. We are taking the market price. What is market price? The price which the actual buyer pays to the seller, or let us say the final buyer pays to the seller, that is market price. So when we perform this act, it is called gross domestic product at market price. It is called domestic because of this economic territory. It is called domestic because of economic territory, that is, we are taking production within the economic territory of the country. This is why we call it domestic. At market price, I have already told you, the price which the final buyer pays to the seller. This word gross is not new to you, but it requires some explanation. We have already learned while studying the concept of investment the difference between gross investment and net investment. The difference was of depreciation. Same difference is here, which means GDP at market price we have calculated without deducting depreciation, without deducting consumption of fixed capital. Depreciation and consumption of fixed capital are the same. So now it is clear that if we deduct depreciation out of GDP and market price, we will get another aggregate. GDP at market price minus depreciation it gives you NDP at market price. N here stands for net. Net domestic product at market price. This is another aggregate. Net domestic product at market price. So GDP is without diminishing. Don't say excluding or including. GDP is without diminishing, while NDP is after diminishing depreciation. Another name for depreciation, I told you, is consumption of fixed capital. That is another name for depreciation. So that is another aggregate. Now we come to some treatment of market price. See, our purpose of calculating national income is to find out how much factors of production employed earn. How much factors of production employed earn. They earn in the form of compensation of employees, rent and royalty, interest and profits. Now I give you an example first. Suppose you pay 1,000 rupees for buying a commodity. You pay 1,000 rupees, shopkeeper receives 1,000 rupees. But does this 1,000 rupee is ultimately distributed between